Hey there, today we'll solve this Leetcode problem, add binary, problem number 67. I would recommend, if you don't know how to add binary, go and watch some tutorials how the binary addition works. Assuming you understand how the binary works, let's solve the problem. So to solve this problem, I'll use a string builder. Typically I don't use string, I use string builder because this is less costly operation. String creates a new object every time, and I equal to a dot length minus 1 and j equal to b dot length minus 1. I'll use a remainder variable as well. Now since we are starting from the end, that's why we have taken I and j from the end of length. Now I'll use a while I is greater than equal to 0 or j is greater than equal to 0. I need to do this, and I'll return this as p dot to string at end. Now if I is greater than equal to 0, if j is greater than equal to 0, what we'll do, if I is greater than equal to 0, I need to sum it. Okay, so to sum it, I'll use a variable sum. Initialize it with remainder, sum equal to sum plus percent a dot caret I, and then I minus minus. I need to convert it into string, otherwise it will throw the error. Caret returns a character, not a string. So I'll do this. Here it will be j, and instead of a it will be b, and instead of I it will be j minus minus. Now for calculating remainder, again, if sum is greater than 1, then remainder will be 1, else it will be 0, and at end I'll append this sum percentage 2. So why I'm doing this? Because if I'll add 1 plus 1, it will be equal to 2 according to this, and so in case of 1 plus 1 binary, it should be 0 and remainder should be 1. And at end, if remainder is not equal to 0, then I'll just sp dot append remainder. Now since I am appending, so I need to reverse it before returning. Reverse dot to string, because I am adding from end but appending everything, so initially it will be 001, but I need to return 100, so that's why I'll reverse it as well. Let's see if it solves that problem. Yes, this solves the problem. This is 30% faster than the solution which is submitted. I hope this clarifies this problem statement, add binary, problem number 67 for Leetcode. So where we have tried to add the binaries value. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.